Now I need to see how to. I need to see the comments thing, right? There was a way to. Yeah, there was a way to see the chat, so I can go to another screen right now. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Let's see how does it work in. Oh. Well. So I can post to YouTube, but not LinkedIn, and maybe not Twitter. I'm not sure. We can actually check it, right? So actually, yeah, and this one we can actually set it up with a picture. I believe we have one, or maybe, well, this one might be it. Yeah, that's basically something about morning and Rust and stuff. Oh, Arindam is already there. Hi Arindam, I'm just testing. Oh my god. Hi, and last time Arindam G. I'm just testing Restream IO. So I'm not going to use it this time, not this morning. I mean, not for the this 8 o'clock GMT whatever morning event, but this one I'm going to try it. So the reason why I'm trying, so the thing with this Restream thingy is that oh, hi Vishurji, hi, wait, I'm good. You see my I've done the setup, so oh, sorry, it's still like not fully professional, but well, one day. So I've moved my setup to the room, to this room. Bigger, it's bigger. There's more air, and what is more important? Thank you so much, friends. What's more important is warm here, because in the room upstairs it's cold. The roof is very close, so even like if temperature in the building is like 17, you can still feel the like wall of cold, and then I get sick very fast, and then I need to choose between like helping friends and getting sick. Yeah, thank you. I can change colors actually. I can. You can see my screen, right? So I can do this thing. 1 second. So I can take this thingy here, and I can do Mystic Light. I still need help. I need somebody to help me to install 16 gigabytes more. So, but yeah. So this thing here, I can change the colors. I think, yeah. So like this. And then the color will go darker. For example, I can make it yellow or something, and apply. It should work. Let's see. So we can make it brighter, for example. I think, yeah, theoretically it should work. I'm sure it worked. Like 100% it worked, but I'm not sure it's not working now. Maybe if I move it to, oh, that's because it was top right. Top right doesn't matter, but this matters. So I can go, let's say, yellow, and yeah. So now it's, I think it changed, hopefully. Oh no, it's again top right. So I want it yellow. It will be yellow like this. Yeah. So now it's yellow and stuff. It's just that my friends from I have friends from Cherry Bomb. That's why I'm doing all this stuff. No, well, I have many friends, and that's why I'm doing all this stuff. Okay, so let me quickly open my where's the Restream thing. So that's the Restream. Also, it shows me, thank you, it shows me the comments from like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, Rashid. How are you doing? So it's showing me content from different spaces, and yeah, so I have some presents from you. So this is closer to my friends from. This one is closer to my friends from Cherry Bomb. I'll actually show their project. That's why I need. Rust. Okay, so yeah, I want it to be like this. Apply. No, let's make it breathe. Let's make it breathe. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Okay, cool. That's enough. So now, which one? What exactly is free? You mean the Restream? Yeah, basic Restream is free. So if you go for the basic one, okay, then you'll have when you are watching my stream, you can see this in the top right. There's a Restream thing, so you will have it there when it's free. So what I do, I connect it with OBS. I've actually tweeted about. I've actually set up a tweet. I'll turn off the screen for a second. I think. Yeah. So so that's my OBS. Okay, it's connected to Restream. Both are free. Restream is free in basic version. So here in the streams, I have service called Restream, like here. Because I'm not sure which screen do you have, so I'll try to like magnify it. It's Windows plus, Windows minus to magnify on Windows. So yeah, so it is free. Some things in this life are still free, even if they're good. So yeah, and yeah. So I absolutely love this stuff. Well, yeah, I love this stuff. If you want to do more with the Restream, you can even connect it to Zoom, for example, to be honest. So there are ways to do more with Restream, like connect to more platforms, but then you need to pay. So when you're like 100k, it will make sense, but maybe not now. Yeah, so the reason you cannot see chat, Vishrut, is that you are watching on LinkedIn, and Arindam is on YouTube. Okay, so that's why you cannot see. So that's the thing with this thing. So look, that's why I'm using it, because otherwise I wouldn't be using it. Look, my destinations are here. My destinations are Twitter, LinkedIn, and this thing. Okay. And whatever was it there, YouTube, yeah, and there are more. There's Telegram, there's Instagram, TikTok, whatever, right? So a lot of stuff, but then you need to pay. And we can check the packages right now. Actually, like I don't care. So I could go 19. Well, I cannot. I'm very short on cash, but like if I start creating more value for people, I will probably go this one. Okay. Yeah, maybe this one, and then I can have 2 seats, which means that, for example, we could co-host it with 2 people, me and you, like something like this. Or I could maybe go to the 49 one. I don't know. Sky is the limit, right? Oh, and I still need to go back to the chat. Yeah, go back to the chat. Because this is more convenient than looking for OBS. Because I can trust this stuff. Now, if we go back to Rust. So, why Rust? BLS. Yeah, that's the one. So, that's my friends from... this is an amazing stuff, actually. It's a company, and they this one's the picture has space for improvement, I would say. What do you mean to the center? I'm showing the screen as a share. You mean? Well, I can maybe let me check the OBS because it will show me the immediate picture. So I can just show myself, right? Like this one. For God's sake, there's a cable which is pulling on this stuff. Let me try to like use a water bottle here to block the cable a bit. So okay, is that better? So let me know if that's better. I can even increase my size here like a little bit, just a little bit. So let me know how it goes. Now 30 on 30 projects challenge. I'm on day 5. You know, we should regarding this stuff, we should just please drop me a message on LinkedIn. Even better, we should, if you send me your, if you write an article with like your plan for those 30 days, okay, and where you are at the moment, and then let's thank you Arindam, thank you for the shout out. Then we should let me write an article, just list the topics, okay, list your plan, and send me the link, and let's make the talk happen. There's a London Java community, you might be aware, I'm part of it. It's 8,000 people, and we have a specific talk, we have a specific configuration for people who start speaking, who are just starting, or maybe not just, like, so you have 5 minutes to speak about your stuff you created, and 2 minutes to answer questions. And I think it's a good opportunity because, well, we don't have thousands of engineers from India or Pakistan or Africa applying. So it's like technology is there, but people are not coming yet. So for you, it will be a good opportunity. So just write an article of where you are, what is your plan, who inspired you. For example, you can put a link for what was our friend's name? Bilal, I think, right? Was it Bilal on Twitter who has a DevOps challenge? I think Bilal is there. I think Bilal. Is it? I think it's Bilal Khan, right? Bilal. This stuff. It's this plugin. Yeah, Bilal Khan. So you can link if it was him who inspired you, or if like you inspired him or anything. You can mention a few people who inspired you. No need to mention me. Oh. Yeah, thank you. Oh, by the way, this picture I got created it with there's a thing. This one. It might really help you, friends, when you create something. I know it's not Rust, all right, but it's called Create a Night Cafe Studio. Let me try if I can get you my referral link. So yeah, then I'll get some points. It's not kind like I really need them, but Twitter, one more badges. There's a badges. How do I create a referral link? Account settings. No. View profile. I'm not sure I can actually refer anybody. I'll just no, I cannot. Doesn't really matter. So there's myself, but just an article on LinkedIn, because London Java community is mostly present on LinkedIn, right? Okay, so these are these friends. That's us. And YouTube, London Java. So if you go here, okay, so you can see there's 2,000 subscribers just on YouTube, and for tech it's big, right? They could do it better. This person is amazing, Helen Scott. I think she's Java champion, and I'm quite sure she is. She's good. It's not about London. It's not about Java anymore. Okay, so you can just see how much cool stuff is here, and you have everything to be one of them, and then you can put it to your resume. That imagine you are applying to a job, so service shoot, I don't remember which part of where exactly you're from. I think it was some part of India, but I don't remember which one. But imagine you're applying, I don't know, for Tata in New Delhi, remote job, like based in India. And imagine that in your resume you have that you have 3 talks done for London Java community. Oh, they will be interested. Oh, Kolkata. Let's Google Kolkata maps. Yeah, I remember somebody was from Kolkata, so it was you. Let's Google Kolkata. Where is it? Oh, so it's in Bengal. Yeah. Where is it? Oh, yeah. I remember I googled it before. This is beautiful. Belur Mat. This is good. One day, mate. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Yeah, I'm afraid to think how hard people had to work to get it created. I think it wasn't easy at all, but this is beautiful. I appreciate that stuff. Oh, both Vishrut and Agarwala from Kolkata. So, hello, Kolkata friends. So, when I'm in Kolkata, we'll definitely go and have some food somewhere. Some paneer cheese with some curry paneer cheese or something. But anyway, so there's this London Java community. I'll leave a link here. So the easiest way, you can either contact them directly. It's Abby. It's this amazing person called Abby. Abby Leverton. So you can contact Abby Leverton to make talks. Yeah. Well, some of my friends are vegetarian, so and paneer cheese is better than chicken. So yeah. So good paneer cheese is better than good chicken, and yeah. So you can contact Abby Leverton for, it's called Lightning Talks. And yeah, tell her, yeah. So it is cool. You'll be amazed. Anyway, back to Rust. So and this stuff I was showing you, this one. So we can create something. Let's create something now. So we can create, and we'll go here and modern comic. Why not? Because we can. So it will be Kolkata, India, and London. Oh, that's okay. Well, Kinghamshire. I think it's like this, right? Is it true? Yeah. Calcutta. No, it will be Calcutta, Rust. Yeah, Calcutta, Rust, and open source. So I take this, and which style should we go for? Let's make it it's epic, okay? And we'll make 4 images for 1 credit. So you get credits, you can buy them, but you can just share on Twitter, and this is really cool stuff to create. It's artificial intelligence, Night Cafe, and what it allows you to create thumbnails or anything like. So now we're creating this Kolkata thing, and let's see if it manages to generate any. And we are creating it in epic style. Okay. Oh my God. So yeah. So this is Kolkata for you guys. This is good. This is beautiful. How do I share it? There might be a link to share. Yeah. You can like it or whatever. That's the one. I think it's not bad for artificial intelligence, right? So it's called Calcutta Rust and Open Source. I think it's okay. I mean, I couldn't do better. So, and that allows you to generate here. That allows you to generate unique stuff for all your content, because like it's free, and every time you can write slightly different words, and it will generate new stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So this is amazing. Now, now if we go back to BLST security, so I really loved it because you know, if I'm using, let's say, Canva, with all respect to Canva, I almost stopped using it now, because in Canva, even the premium stuff, it's all the same, right? For example, this one. It's I've seen this picture so many times. And then there's also a problem with like skin color, because it's white and probably it's a male. I'm not sure, but maybe. And I have people from all around the world. I don't want to push away some girl from Latin America just because those hands look too white or something. I don't know. Even like, so basically, there are many templates here, but you still can, even using Canva, you can take the one saved, right? You can take something like this. Okay, that's my Rust from today, I think. You can take this one and you can make it a basis for your Canva stuff, and then your Canva will be unique, and this is good. So, well, I just was bored. That's all. Oh my god, my posture is not good at all. Let me go up. Okay. Now let me check my OBS. Okay, OBS is here. I will actually go OBS on the left, and I will go this thing on the right. Okay, good. So now I have because I have two screens. So my second screen, I've split my. I'll actually show it for a second. Okay. So that's what my second screen look like. So this one is OBS. It shows me like the true stuff, how it's going on now, right? And this is showing me what you see. There will be a small delay, but not too much, and all the comments are here. So yeah, that helps. And yeah, don't save. So now back to these guys. So they are my friends. So they created something like this called Cherry Bomb. So basically what it allows, it's a bit similar to, well, it's not similar, but you know, Snyk. So there's a thing called Snyk, which is this one. And Snyk tests code, right, for vulnerabilities. But these friends, what they do, and Snyk is really cool. You should really like, they're cool for so many reasons. It's open source. It's extremely important what they do. They participate in so many hackathons, and there's a bunch of hackathons coming. So if you are into hackathons, there's a lot of stuff. And if like I cannot participate in hackathons, right? Even if the prize is 100K, I cannot, because I need to help more people. But hackathons, you can begin with like beginner level or expert. It doesn't really matter. Most of hackathons, they are beginner friendly. You can put this one if you want, but to be honest, I wouldn't. And then here, for example, let's see, we have Snyk. Oh, now we need online. Okay, we need online. You're from Kolkata, which is good because you're not under any sanctions. I think so. Obviously, Russia is. I think some hackathons they don't welcome Brazil, so I would like so. Well, the world is a mess at the moment, and oh, let me actually see. Yeah, so, yeah, now it's good. So the world is a mess, and but you can still do a lot of stuff here. I think we have security here. Yeah, this one, for example. So there's a lot of events. It's harder to concentrate on one, okay? And what I can help you is I can help you to create a team which wins. I cannot promise you the first place, but yeah, I can, like, we can have a talk. So if you're interested, just take a look at these hackathons, okay? And if choose one, and then if you want, we can make a space about it, and we can prepare. So we can prepare, and yeah, I definitely need to lose some weight. Yeah, I'm just looking at myself on camera. So, and then we'll prepare, and we can have like 2-3 teams from Kolkata itself, or India, or any other combination, and maybe even I will pop in at some point to the event. I can create a team of 1 so I can watch the event. But yes, so Sneak is often coming to the events like this, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Normally I would look for like 1 day thing, and yeah, and they're not complicated. It's like they will give you, like, at least they might give you virtual swag and stuff like that. So yeah, anyway, but Cherry Bomb is different. Cherry Bomb, it's younger. Well, you can see it from the website, I guess. And what they do, they allow you to test your API. So basically, API is an entry point to the services and such. And yeah, so I'm not sure if I have an account. Just let me quickly check. I actually might have an account. Just checking on another screen. No, it's not fully set up. I'll need to set it up. Let's see what is the dashboard, because I'm really after this one. Well, there are reasons, but I cannot talk about them yet. But there might be some good news later this week or this month. So let's see. Endpoints. So apparently you can upload Swagger here. You can imitate attack. So basically you can test your application, okay, and you can imitate attack on it. I'm looking for like demos, because oh yeah, so I do have a trial. This is good. I've never actually used it, so but yeah, so they allow you to check the REST API and so validate it like this. So oh, here's an example, right? So you can check here. So now the sleep is catching up with me, but I don't have time to sleep. So yeah, so it will read your API spec file and check specification, blah blah blah, and it will really analyze it, because I've seen how it works, and it will even give you an examples of like what's wrong with your API. Okay, so but the best part is that it's open source, of course it is open source. So but now we have a problem, that this open source thing here, okay, even like Cherry Bomb itself, it's in Rust, and now we're back to square one. So how do we learn Rust? Of course like this. So we go to Exercise. Oh, what's that? I haven't seen this one. Oh, I've got a badge now. Why? Oh, completed Hello World in 5 languages. Okay. Yeah, not many of us. Anyway, so we have tracks. We have Rust. So we've done the first exercise, right? Which was this one. Let me start IntelliJ. Sorry. By the way, it's interesting if I got any subscribers just for streaming. Oh, I got one follower. Hopefully not fake. Because there's a lot of those webcam things. So I think it might be another webcam thing. Yeah, I really don't have time to clean up them all. Yeah. Am I blue tack? No, not yet. I need to. I'll get a blue tack soon. But basically, I have this. I thought it might be on another machine. That's why. It might be on another machine. So let's see. If I go GitHub. Okay, that's me. And if I go here, and if I go, there was Rust. There was something. That's Cherry Bomb. That's different. Language Rust. Okay, so I probably just did it in the. I probably just did it online. Okay. We'll just like unpack this project and this stuff. We copied it. So now it will be. Yeah, I did it on my Ubuntu. That's why I don't have it here. So we'll do cmd. I'm not sure if I have exorcism like here. Let's see. Obviously I have git bash and cgreen, but I want to have like proper path. So let's see if it manages to download. Okay, nice. It managed to download. And we copy this thing. Okay. We go to our stuff. Open this thing. Okay. We'll just do hello world and then I'll go for a nap. Okay. Just like 1-2 hours sleep. Because finally my brain decided that I need to sleep. So so we got it from this one, and I had the solution here already because I did it on Ubuntu. So it's this one. So source was here, although I'm not sure that Rust as such is installed. Yes, so yeah, Hello World is obviously installed. But I cannot run it. I cannot run it because of this. And by the way, it's interesting. How much memory am I using? So, and that's a Windows machine. Okay, so it's. I'm okay. I'm okay. I still have 16 gigabytes laying there in the cupboard. I need to install them. So I need somebody to help me. Yeah, I'll find somebody because this. The cooler here, it's huge. It's like this big. That's why it's so quiet. And to take it off, I need this long screwdriver. And yeah, and some hands which are like not as big as mine. So here, if I do Rust, oh, Rust is already here. Then it will be maybe here. Okay, I don't want Edu tools. Okay, I'll probably even uninstall Edu tools. Not now. I think that when I run it, there must be Rust somewhere. Because I remember I was running Rust, okay? Not build tools, not plugins. No. I'm very tempted to take my Ubuntu thing. What about this stuff? Oh, that's code together, doesn't matter. I'm a bit lost. Oh, that's why. So that's Kotlin, but we don't want Kotlin's stuff. I have a feeling I might not have Rust installed on this machine, and I think that's important. Yeah, I think we'll do two things. We'll first install Rust. And yeah, we'll use this one. Sorry, it's not really Mac. Sorry, it's not really Mac, so yeah, I have to suffer. Yeah. Let me quickly check how my YouTube is going. So we got Rust. Okay, now let's install it. Yeah, I probably need. Oh, sorry, friends. I'm not sure why it's working so loud. Not sure why it's working so loud. It's not supposed to be that loud. It's maybe because of the graphics card. If I go to Command Center, let me see if I can. It's already updated. Come on, I was updating it before because yeah, because I really need to make it cooler. I mean to allow it to go hot actually, so this thing spins not as fast, so it makes less noise. And I don't fully remember how to do it. So XBoost is already turned off. I'm downloading Rust, so we can. Oh, actually, we slowed down downloading Rust, but we still need Command Center to be updated, right? So hopefully, we'll do both. Okay, so it's weird because some people contact me on, let's say, Twitter or somewhere else and they start asking questions. But sometimes it's somebody who needs help, but quite often it's somebody who just has so much free time. And you see, if I help this person answering 100 questions about nothing, life in general, then nothing changes. This person just wants to, I don't know, waste some time. I don't know. And I don't have time to waste. I really need to help people. I need to do something useful, not just to be a TV for one person. So if somebody is bored, then maybe TV is the best option, or well, a book, or talking to parents or something like this. Yeah, I actually need to talk to my parents. Let me actually go to calendar and I'll put a reminder for myself for today that I need to talk to my parents. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now, so I guess Rust is installing, and this thing got, didn't it? I think it should have installed. Let's see. What does it bring us? Okay, that's Rust installing as well, doing well. But I want this stuff. Okay. So I still want this thing to start because I'm not happy with maybe I need to restart the whole tool. So 1 second. MSI App Manager. Okay, Rust is installed. All right. So now, if I start IntelliJ, then hopefully there's a chance that now, no, but what about this thing? Reload all from disk. Build tools. Not really. No. Languages and frameworks. We need to check how to run Rust on IntelliJ. That's what we need. Okay. IntelliJ run Rust. Setting preferences plugin and search for Rust. Seriously. That's exactly what I did. Like exactly. Also, first you install that and then you go for plugins. Okay. Okay. Oh, because I didn't go to marketplace. That's why. Install. That's why. So my mistake was that I clicked. It was clicked on installed. I didn't notice it. So the lesson of today: go to marketplace. So the stuff started as well. Let's let's install everything. Because my tools are out of date. I also need to update BIOS, to be honest, or BIOS, because I'm really not happy with how noisy it is. And that's quite a good corpse. It's quite good body. It's not supposed to be that loud. Okay, so touch. Okay. Okay, now if we have not this one, not this one, tools, languages and frameworks. Okay, so here we go. This is the one. Okay. Now the question is, how do I run it? That's hello world, I understand that. If you go to this cargo thing, well, we have something in source, but I don't think. I'm not sure what should I put on cargo, okay? So cargo is apparently a build tool for Rust. So yeah, friends, I think I'll make a break because yeah, obviously I know how to run this exercise. I mean, I've done it on another computer, but not now. I'm a bit too tired. But next time we'll continue from, well, hopefully my MSI App Manager will be installed by that time, and hopefully I will get my Rust fixed on the machine so we can go beyond the hello world, if that's okay. And yeah, that's it. Anyway, thank you for being with me today, and see you tomorrow. Oh, sorry, see you later today. We have a stream today, so see you. Thank you, friends. Bye. We can finish the stream, I guess, somehow. So how do we finish the stream? Do you know? I don't. But we can probably pause. No, let's pause and play. What about... No, let's remove branding. We need to finish the stream. How do we do it here? Stream settings. Nope. Business update. Well, I think I can just go on pause, right? I can go on pause and I can just close it. Yeah. Oh, I can do it from here, I guess.